So we had an equation 2x plus 5y plus 10 equals 0 written in standard form, and we found its y equals mx plus b equivalent as y equals minus 2 over 5x minus 2. Now looking at the y equals mx plus b form, we can see that anything that precedes the x is m and is our slope. Now looking at our equation here, minus 2 over 5 is m. That means our slope is minus 2 over 5. And likewise, b is minus 2, which means our y-intercept is minus 2. Now knowing this information, I can graph the line, and I'm going to plot minus 2 down here as the y-intercept, and I can see that m is negative, meaning the line is going to go in this direction rather than this direction. This would be a positive slope, and this is a negative slope. So I'm going to draw a negative slope straight line passing through the y-intercept like that. And it's not necessarily to scale, but I am going to label it minus 2 over 5x minus 2.